Hello everyone, I'm down here at Log Still Distillery. They are putting the siding in as we speak. Up here where you see all the ties on top of the rail, that's the track that they didn't pull up, but it needs some new ties. And down here, they're adding onto the track, doing a little track work, getting it all laid out, assembled together. They're building a switch or a turnout, whichever you like to call it, doing the straight rail, and inside they already got the frog laid out there, and it's all going together. It's going to be another siding off of this one to go to the station, which is down there by that rusty old building. There's the frog right here in the middle, and everything will come together rather quickly. You look off to the south here, they finished that bridge across a creek that was really dangerous. Won't have to worry about anybody washing away in the floods. You look off to they're really getting the distillery almost finished. Right between these two buildings will be the station.